Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's having an amazing day so far. Today your boy Sky has a very exciting video about an altcoin which has an extreme potential. If you guys do watch all the videos that your boy uploads, you might remember about 2 days ago we did talk about wheat, but today there is a new update which will get you guys super excited about wheat. This crypto, in my opinion, is the most sustainable yield optimizer on the Binance Smart Chain. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time and you don't want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it help me and you out as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will see the positive side of wheat token. They decide to buy it, they decide to join the community, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 270 likes. Now first of all, I just want to give you guys a small rundown for the people who have no idea about wheat. This is one of the best DeFi tokens out there. This is not just an opinion, but there is so many things to actually back up that opinion. First of all, I just want to show you guys the market cap. It's pretty low. It's close to 1.5 million. At the same time, 6,300 wheat has already been burnt, and the circulating supply is only 145,000. That's very low, causing the price to be somewhere close to $10. Now, as I mentioned, this was one of the best DeFi projects I have seen due to the parent company supporting it and everything in general, but something that happened today which makes this one super unique is the 3-layer vault system. If you guys remember, last time we saw the per annum return was close to 100 to 200%. Now it is close to 1,000% due to the 3-layer vault system that they just released yesterday. I will tell you for a fact, most of the DeFi projects which I have looked into barely have 2-layer vault system, and having a 3-layer vault system is pretty insane. And I feel like this is one of the only projects which I know has a 3-layer vault system. Talking about the core pairs, you guys can see the wheat and the BNB is now times 30. That is crazy. If we go to the Growth DeFi's Twitter page, it will be able to explain a little bit better to you guys about the triple layer profitability. So you guys can see the first layer is going to be auto farm, which most of them have. The second one is pancake swap, and the third one is wheat, which adds up to 309%. That is crazy. Announcing auto vault plus pancake swap v2 vaults launching now, boosting returns for our users, and the growth of the free collectors will increase by over 10% for some pairs, paving the way towards a deflationary wheat token. Yield from auto cake wheat plus the swap fee V is a yield farming aggregator on the BSC that rewards higher APY, builds TVL more quickly, and solves inflation better than any other DeFi protocol by compounding both 1 auto and 2 cake rewards. Then it uses the fees to collect the builder fee collector, which particularly buys back V, making it deflationary 3 wheat. This is a triple yield result in higher returns for the users and more fee for the collector per wheat issued. I know that sounds very complicated, but if I simplify it down for you, this is what's going to happen. So as we talked about before, wheat has a role which is called ticket collector, and they will be collecting a small portion of the fee that you do pay to them, and all the fee that will be collected will be put inside of a vault. When it's put inside of a vault, they are going to be getting a return which will be now close to 1,000% every single year, and whatever the return they receive, 70% of that will be used to actually buy back wheat and burn it. That's what is going to be used for. So basically, you will just have to deposit your KLP tokens into the auto vault on wheat, and then 50% of the auto and the cake that position generates is charged as performance fee. There is no deposit fee. I mean, there is like 0.1% deposit fee. There is 0% withdrawal fee. Now, once that performance fee is charged on the tokens, it goes to the fee collector, which is converted all the fees it makes into a syrup and has an ever-growing principle that yield cake, and the cake fee collector yields 70% is converted into buying back V, and 15% is converted and used to buy and burn grow, and 15% is used to liquidate BNB rewards for grow yield. Auto vault yield 2 or 5 times the APR as the regular pancake worlds, so they are basically making wheat as efficient as possible to maximize its potential, which is what makes them almost 10 times or even 100 times more profitable as Venus, since they only require less TVL to generate the same revenue. And you guys know most of the DeFi tokens or DeFi projects die down because the TVL runs out, and most of the time they die down. The thing you guys need to understand is this project is actually run by such a big company and also has a great CEO that knows what they are doing. One thing you guys need to understand is overall what is going to happen is the fee collector role is a very smart idea. So whatever will be collected from you as in fee will not be used to buy back wheat and then burn it. That would be just stupid. That's what the team says. And at the same time, what they're going to be doing is they will be putting it back into their project. You guys can see there is close to 420,000 fee collector TVL already collected. So that is already put into the farms, and now it is collecting 1000% API every single year. So per annum, they will be earning about that much. Now, whatever they will be earning, so 400,000, that would be like 4 million every single year. So at the end of the day, that 4 million that comes in, 70% of that will be used to buy back wheat and burn it, decreasing the circulating supply and actually trying to fight the deflation or the inflation in general. And the other thing you guys need to understand, what is very interesting about this project, is at the same time, if the price or the value of wheat goes up from $10 to $20, that 400,000 will turn into 800,000. So whatever they get in return will be higher. At the same time, all the new fees that will be collected will be put into that wallet. I just feel like that's a very interesting idea, because the more fees that are collected, more will be put towards it, and then more returns will be received. And once the return and the inflation meet each other, that's it. That from that point on, the circulating supply cannot increase. Do you see how smart this idea is? I personally feel like, and at the same time, the three-layer vault system is obviously going to increase the speed at what people can make profits. 1000% return. I feel like that's the first time I've ever seen any DeFi projects do this. And also they will be releasing another 2 things, which will be Grow and G-Root, and once they come out, it might actually make a huge impact. And I'm personally very excited to see overall where this project heads to. Other than that, if I would to decide, if I have some money which I want to secure, rather than putting it in a bank, I would go with a DeFi project, something similar to Wheat, which have a lot of idea in terms of what they are doing. A 3-level security system or a vault, that is insanity. Like, I have never seen that as well. That's why I wanted to make sure you guys understand this. But out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure you slap a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. Other than that, I recommend joining into Wheat before this explodes, because I see it exploding very soon. Other than that, have a great day. I'm out. Peace.